Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome to my very first giveaway video. Now we'll be giving away a brand new 32 ounce limited edition Hydroflask in Bonfire Orange, and it comes complete as you see it here. Now to win this, you only need to do 4 things that will probably take you about 30 seconds to a minute all up. So let's get going. Number 1, you need to be a subscriber to my channel, Mike's Man Cave. So if you haven't already subscribed, do so now by clicking the subscribe button. Now the second thing you need to do to be part of this giveaway is like this video. So hit the like button now. The third thing you need to do is leave a comment down below in the comment section letting me know why you would love to win this Hydroflask. And number 4, the final thing you need to do is share this video on your social media. That could be on Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media that you're part of. You need to share this video. Now the winners will be selected at random. So once you've done those 4 things, sit back, relax, and after the school holidays, I will be announcing who won this Hydroflask, and it will be sent out to your home address directly from Hydroflask Australia. This is actually my one here, so you won't be getting this one, you'll be getting one just like it. Brand new, send out from Hydroflask Australia direct. Now to be part of this, make sure you don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.